Traders, investors, friends, what is going on? We are back. So, not a good day. Futures kind of freaked out. We were blowing off some steam. We were in this wedge here. We broke out of it on probably Vax news, and I think there was talks of stimulus negotiations today, which, classic, they broke down. Yeah, they approve a week extension, giving lawmakers more time to hammer down the details of the relief bill, which, they're still going between 600 and 1200 and who gets what and all that stuff. So anyways, nothing new there. They've been talking about this for months. A lot of that frustration seems like it's been priced in. We've really been moving on vaccine news. All this has been pretty much vaccine news. We spiked up here on vaccine news and then it sold off. This was more Vax news, and then it held for a little while, so that was interesting. And we're just kind of in la-la land over here, overextended. And we spiked up a little bit too much, so we sold off. And so it's fine. Look, they're closing pretty much sideways. It was a sideways day. We just weren't meant to keep going up today. We don't need to go into the 1700 range. We need to chill out. So, speaking of falling wedges, Xpev was breaking out of theirs, and then futures didn't really do it any favors. Didn't do anyone any favors today. So it's falling still. So as long as futures are green tomorrow or sideways, I think this is fixable still. I mean, we were about to have the 100 swoop right under us, and we were going to ride that out of that bad boy. But then futures had other plans. They had the offering today, which also didn't help. I'm sure you guys heard about this. So I posted this at 7 and it came out at 6:58, basically saying there's a $2.2 billion offering at $45, which was about 8% under what it was currently at. So it was kind of downtrending in the pre-market, and it might have been able to consolidate a little bit. It was trying to in here, you see, but so we were fighting it a little bit. We really fell with futures. So when futures were sideways, you can see it's all lined up. We were also kind of going sideways. I feel like I'm talking about a sports team. Same we. So anyways, we were going sideways here, and we kind of fell down with the market. Downtrended a little bit more. Thankfully, this bounced. We'll see if it holds. However, I think the bleeding is getting close to ending. Now, I'm not currently in them. I have been loading these guys. So LIZI shot up from $2, $2.50 about, to $6 on the announcement that they were going to be doing the car audio and some Xpev vehicles. Oh, where is it? They entered a collaboration to do the audio in the cars for Xpev. So I'm building up a swing position because when Xpev does finally wake up, it is going to be an absolute monster. All of those Chinese EVs will be. And so here's why I think that is because NIO was starting to get their chart back, starting to get the 10-minute back. They were literally about to have, just like Xpev, the 100 was about to swoop up under them, and they were going to be able to ride that out of there. But they had all that pressure from the sector. I mean, even on the 10-minute, you see, we had some consolidation action going on. They were breaking through and trading in the SMAs for a day. Love that. And then they were starting to ride the 100 up, and then the market tanked. It also didn't help that the EV sector as a whole didn't really have a great day today. Tesla had some stuff and things happen, and yeah. So lots of down pressure. Lots of stuff and things. So, because of that, I think we might have another day of bleeding and consolidating. I think we can finish the end of the week pretty strong here. So we'll have to see what happens. God willing, futures can just trade sideways and chill out. We don't need multi-point days, just some slow and steady action. Stop doing that. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Be careful out there. It is getting weird again. Don't overexpose yourself. Be guarded. Have fun, and I will catch you in the next one.